Okay, hi, this is Chabit Uganda e-learning, and my name is Nelson Bitusamba. And today's video we shall be looking at measuring meters and centimeters, measuring meters and what? Meters and centimeters. So in this, we shall be looking at what are these meters and what are these centimeters. Okay, so let's get started. So here we are saying we are going to look at measuring, that is meters and centimeters. We can say the length in meters and centimeters. That means we are going to be dealing with the what? With the length. What is this length that we are talking about? We are saying length is the measure. Length is measured the measured distance between two points or places. Maybe you are from school and you are going to home. You are going home, and then when you want to account for the distance that you are moving from your home to your school, then we shall bring what we call the measurements to make it easy for us to know the distance that you are traveling, or from your home to your neighbor's place, or from your home place to your friend's place. Like some of you always, maybe it's in the holidays, you want to visit for your friend, you find yourself moving either by car or by foot. So the distance that you do move uh, from your home to your friend's place, or from your school back to your home, we are going to measure it using what we call length. So this is a very great aspect in our life because it tells us and it shows us how we can measure the distance of places or uh, points. All right. So we are continuing and saying it can be measured in meters. So we can measure the distance or the length in what? In meters. We can measure it in what? In meters. And the SI unit for meters is M. We can also use what we call centimeters. Okay, centimeters. We can also use what we call centimeters. Like some of you who have rulers, some of you have sets. They have what we call rulers, and in those rulers, there's the rulers you can see they are measured in what? In centimeters. When you open up your set right now and check out for a ruler, you'll be able to see the figures which are written there are written in centimeters. Oh, their shortcut can be cm, meaning what? Centimeters. That means a centimeter is smaller than a what? Is smaller than a meter. We are saying also we can measure the length or the distance between 2 points using kilometers. Okay, kilowatt, kilometers. Okay, so that means we can also use that. Then they are saying that the meters is equally divided. The meters is equally divided into 100 equal what? Equal parts. All right, get this statement well. The meters are divided into 100 what? 100 equal parts. So that means when you have a certain meter and you divide it by 100 equal parts, each part known as a centimeter, or uh, or or in a short term as cm. Okay, let's go ahead and see how we can now make operations of these meters and centimeters, the one I've talked about. That means we are dealing with the distance from one point to another, or from a place to a place. So in this, we shall be able to face questions when they are asking that maybe from your school to from your home to your school, and from your school to your maybe your grandma's place, they may need you to account for the what? For the distance or for the measurement. of that. So how can you come about it? Let's look at an example here. They are saying add. We have what we call meters and centimeters, okay? Meters and centimeters, we are saying centimeters are smaller than the meters. Also, meters are smaller than kilometers. Okay, we shall be moving ahead and see what we call uh, more than what is more than a kilometer. We shall be looking at it ahead, probably not in this class, but in the class ahead. Okay, so here we are going to make an operation of adding meters and also centimeters. So when you are given meters and centimeters, please be able to make a correct operation and the correct arrangement. The centimeters should be added to centimeters, not meters to centimeters. All right. This is like you are adding. Maybe if they are goats, they should be in a group of goats. If they are hens, they should be in a group of what? The group of hens. So look here, and this is how we come up with that. Okay, so now here we shall be able to say our 45 centimeters and 36 centimeters shall be able to add them. 2 meters and 6 meters shall be able to add them. So here we start adding normally as we add some other values. And now here we shall be able to say what is 5 plus 6? 5 plus 6. Who has an answer? The answer is 11. 11. So in 11, okay, let me get some pen here and demonstrate this more. We are saying we get our answer as what? Our answer is 11. Okay, our answer is 11. So what is 11? We write 1, which is this one, and carry what? And carry this one to the next what? Next centimeter. So here we shall be having our 4 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 we get 7. Then plus 1. Then we get what? We get 8. Okay, so here we shall have done with the what? With the centimeters. Then we also go to the side of what? To the side of the meters. Okay, so we shall be seeing we have 2 meters and 6 meters. Automatically, 2 plus 6 we come with 8. Okay, so also here we are having meters and also centimeters. So in these meters and centimeters, as we say, you arrange the centimeters on their side, okay? Centimeters on their side and also the meters on their side. So let's make operation. When you add 5 plus 5, we get 10. Okay, we get 10. So we shall be able to write a 0 here. Okay, and we carry this one. And also when we say when you add the 2, okay, let me see here. What is 2 plus this? Yes, 2 plus 8. You also get 10 plus 1 becomes 11. Okay, this becomes what? Becomes 11. So you write 1 and carry another one on this side of the meters. On this side of the what? On this side of the meters. Okay, so this means we shall be having 8 plus what? 8 plus 8 plus 6. We get what? We get 14. Then plus the one which we are carrying here, it becomes 15. So you can see that here we shall be able to come up with what? We shall be able to come up with 15 meters and centimeters. Please be able to write the SI units, because when you don't write the SI units, it is going to be something else. It is going to be what? It's going to be something else, and they will not give you a right mark. Your answer will be hanging. So you may not qualify to get the answer. Okay, so to make more practice of this, we shall also still deal with what we call addition in meters and centimeters. That is in a what? In a word statement. Here they bring these things in a form of a statement, and they need you to extract the knowledge and find out whether you are supposed to use addition or subtraction. So let's look at addition, and an example is here. They are saying Namsoke had 8 meters and 55 centimeters of cloth. She laid about 10 meters and 85 centimeters of cloth. And then they say find the total length of the cloth she has now. So you can say find the total. When you talk about total, they are meaning addition of this. So that this means we shall be able to carry out operation. So far you arrange them meters to meters and centimeters to centimeters. Okay, so when you had 80 meters, you write the 80 meters here. 55 centimeters, you write 55 centimeters here. Then also conclude and make this operation. When you add 5 plus 5, then 5 plus 8, shall be able to come up with the right answer here. So to make a recap of this, we made some operation of what? Of meters and the centimeters, and we are saying we also use a normal operation of addition for us to come up with what? With the right answer. So for this, I do say please thank you very much. Uh, for more videos about changing centimeters and meters, converting them, we shall be able to look at them in the next video. And we shall also be able to look at the subtraction of these meters and the centimeters in the next video. So for this, let me say thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please be able to check out on our playlist for the lost or the missed lessons. Be able to subscribe in order to get the more upcoming lessons for all the what? For all the subjects. Okay. God bless you. Have a nice moment.